Today's video is about Aidonia receiving his US visa and work permit, and also an update on the Devin Di Dakta beatdown by Todd court case saga. It seems like the Dark Cloud DJ will be seen brighter sunshiny days. It's been reported that the JOP One Voice Jenna boss Aidonia has received his US visa and work permit and has been given clearance and wings to take off and is no longer grounded by the US Embassy. That is very good news for the DJ and dancehall on a whole. Usually the US visa and work permit will open the doors to other places such as Canada and the United Kingdom and other destinations that seems to be in alliance with the US in the travel restrictions placed on dancehall artists. This might explain the transformation of the DJ's image and songs. I won't say he has transformed to a full-fledged Rasta, but he's now mixing up the gun and girl tunes with more conscious songs. He is definitely looking a bit more rootical, like he's been crossed with the Lion of Judah and is sparring with Sizzla and making regular trips to Bubba Hill, beating Congo drums instead of beating rapid gun lyrics. This might also explain why we have not heard from him responding to Massacre's diss song in the war between Fort Jenna Diablo Governor. It is kind of hard to understand how he sent out Diablo to handle the war while he laid in the cut. Something tells me that we might see a response from him very soon now that he has that visa in the bag, or maybe he might just be focusing on the bigger picture. I am sure that the fans would want to see an all-out warfare between himself and Massacre, as long as it is kept lyrical and don't jeopardize that all-important work permit and visa. This is very good news for international promoters who will have access to one more top-tier DJ to add to their lineup. Aidonia, big up yourself, keep doing good work. Keep your head out of the negativity, keep it professional. You have nothing to prove to anyone. What is understood don't need to be explained. In the latest update about Devin Di Dakta and Todd's court case, Todd appeared in the Afrochi Parish Court yesterday for his first court appearance since his arrest, where he pled not guilty to charges of assaulting Devin Di Dakta. He was fingerprinted and scheduled to reappear on the 23rd of August 2016. It seems as if Devin Di Dakta's manager Shelly Corran is out for blood and wants to set an example out of Todd because she's on a crusade to take the case to the fullest extent of the law and is insisting that Todd get prosecuted. There is one crazy twist to this case. The dancer who claims that Devin Di Dakta touched her inappropriately in January 2016 has now coincidentally showed up and pressed charges against Devin Di Dakta, since his manager was relentless and went through the police commissioner's office to finally get Todd arrested after 5 months. I must note that in January when this incident happened, the dancer went to press charges against Devin Di Dakta at the police station. And when she was told that she could be charged for perjury if they found out she was lying, she did not bother to file charges but instead ran through the door, according to the manager of Devin Di Dakta, Shelly Corran. Devin Di Dakta's legal team is requesting video footage from Taboo's nightclub security camera to prove that her claims are bogus, but something tells me that these videos won't be forthcoming. I guess the only other course of evidence is for the court to order that the police forensic team swab Devin Di Dakta's pum-pum feel-up finger and send it to the crime scene laboratory to test it for the stripper's pum-pum residue and see if there is a match. I guess that would be the only other course. I don't know. What do you think? I think that this stripper's pressing charge against Devin Di Dakta is just a desperate petty attempt by Todd to get back at Devin Di Dakta. Devin Di Dakta's team is persistent and keeping the pressure on Todd. Something tells me that Todd will have to pay some money to get out of this case for it to disappear or be swept under the rug. Knowing Jamaica's corrupt backward justice system, I doubt that Todd will ever do a day in jail. Rich people don't do jail time in Jamaica. This case will drag on for years, and then 5 to 10 years from now we'll ask, hey, whatever happened to that Devin Di Dakta and Todd's case? Thanks once again for checking out my video. It is greatly appreciated. Please check out the website link in my profile banner. Please like, comment and subscribe. Bless up. One love.